Whether it flies well or not, that'll be a different story. But, oh, I think I killed the battery on the remote. So we will disconnect that too. But anyway, we're going to have to charge all this stuff. This is right out of the box. So it is to be expected to be the way that it is. And I will see you all very soon in the next one. Pretty impressed with this as is. And hopefully it flies as well as they say. And I think it will. I think it will, because this camera here is not going to flop around like the Emax Tiny Hawk that I tried to glue in place. And then it just kept, moving around every time that it hit something. I think this is going to be a slam dunk. And so, yeah, looking forward to flying this and having fun. Take care, guys. Have an awesome day.
Likey